Hey there! In this video, we'll talk about the Heyo Phone IVR feature and how does it work. Open your Heyo app and go to Settings. Tap on Call and Staff. Then tap on Welcome Message and IVR. You will see the IVR option disabled. Tap on it to enable it. If you are a Heyo Lite user, you will be prompted to upgrade to the Heyo Pro plan. If you are already a Pro user, you will see this screen. Here you can select the name of both departments. You can choose between sales and support or write your own. Tap on update to enable the IVR. You can listen to your IVR by tapping the speaker icon at the bottom. Now go back to the call and staff option and select manage staff. When you add new staff, you will be prompted to select their department. For the already added staff members, you can select their department by tapping on their name and ticking the check boxes at the bottom. That's it. This is how IVR works in the Heyo Phone app. For more queries, you can reach out to us in our in-app support section.